The Industrial Process Control Technology program is a program designed to train process operators as well as maintenance in all industry. We have process technology and maintenance technology. So there are two main concentrations. We also have 3 technical certificates that are embedded into the program.
Students do not have any problem finding employment. A lot of our students stay local. Some decide that they want to go out of state. So we do have students that are working at the Gulf, that are working in oil refineries. Some are working for pharmaceutical plants. Some are local, working at local paper mills or companies like Comor and OxyChem. So placement rate is, I'm going to say, 90 to 100% with our graduates.
This is the place where I know that they have the best training. I've heard a lot of people from around this area came here and went to school here, and they went on to have really good careers at different plants. But not all of them stay here. A lot of them went to different plants in the States or left this state and actually went somewhere else. And they have background knowledge and know what they're really doing.
The people at my job site treat me with actually a lot of respect, knowing that I'm going to school and also trying to work at the same time. They definitely try to teach me and try to help me out the most that they can, because they know that they all have several years of experience on me and they know what they're doing, and I may not. So they all try to break it down and try to teach me the best that they can and make sure that I'm understanding what I'm actually learning about in school. I'm understanding also how it contributes to an actual job site.
We've been a partner here with Nashville State for many, many years on the curriculum side. So we had a very strong curriculum in place, and in 2014 we said, hey, what if we bolted on a work-based learning experience so that we really turned out the ideal employees. So these students are graduating now with their 2-year associate's degree in industrial process control technology. They also have their industry certification through NCCER, and then they have this co-op experience where they work and study at the same time while they're going through school. So they have really a very well-rounded experience as they graduate.
The expansion of the IPCT program to the Clarksville campus, I think, is exciting. Montgomery County has a huge industrial community that I'm sure looking for great qualified employees to hire.
We'd like to provide a program that enables individuals to gain the necessary skills and qualifications to fill available manufacturing positions. This will help our community and our industry partners. We'd also like to see our students stand out among job applicants and graduates from the IPCT program. We would love for industry to see them as the employees of choice.
We basically just want to mirror the program in Humphreys County to Montgomery County, to the Clarksville campus. So our industrial process faculty and directors will be working closely with those at the Clarksville campus. Our alliance boards will meet hopefully together and just build a strong unity to make this program successful for both counties and surrounding counties.